Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I'm in Australia and I'm laughing because I have spent about, I don't know, half an hour trying to set up that thing being the camera, which I don't know. I've been filming now for probably over 4 years and still can't get the hang of it. I'm going to ask my husband to make me a thing here to put it on, okay? To put my camera into that it can go back in there, and the picture will come out all the same all the time, and I won't have to worry about it. Okay, that sounds good, doesn't it? Anyway, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you this thing that I finished, this file folder, because I had to I finished it and I said I'd put it on Facebook, and I did, but I still want to show people it was made. This is going to be going to Belinda Coombs here in Australia, and hopefully that she will like it. I thought I'd make one for practice, see if it was okay, and then I'd make her another one, but I think this is okay. I hope she's okay with this. So I've put some mauve seam binding around here that some amazing person sent me, and I think it might have been Karen Black, I think. I just don't know. Blake, I think that's the name, Blake. I'm sorry, Karen. You're one of my really good subscribers. You always support my channel, and I think that you may have sent me this a really long time ago, and I've had it tucked away like everything else, well, like a lot of other things that I keep hanging on to, but I need now to get it out there to, and use it for different things that I make. Okay, so I did this. I did a video on how it was put together, and then so this is what it is. Inside it has little pockets. Hang on a second, I might have to yeah, sometimes it still even gets a bit, so she can put you can put dyes in there, I suppose. That'd work all right, or something. And I covered it with there's two thicknesses of paper, the fairly good cardstock, so it should last a little while anyway. And I put some really nice trim along there and some flat back pearls. I put 3 little bits across the top here that I thought was just right. I don't know. I did put some pink, some lace around here that had a little pink flower on it, and wasn't really sure about that because it just didn't go with the other mauvey colours. So I got me liquid pearls. Love this now. And I just did a little trim over the top. You can still see occasionally a little pink coming through, but I think it looks pretty good. You can just see the tiny little bit of pink, and I put dots on it because I wanted a bit of bling around, and also one flower. You'd probably be going to put them next to another, I don't know, in something, so we didn't want to, I don't think we'd, too much there, I don't know. But anyway, I stuck this piece of seam binding on there so she would be able to always have it, because I don't know about other people, but I can't, if I take something off something, it's not easy to find it and get back. So I'm just going to tie that around there, and there is my file folder for Belinda. Okay, so I hope you like this, Belinda, and I'm going to be popping it in the mail. I'm sorry it will be a little bit late. It's been extremely hot here, and I haven't been out for a few days because it's like I said, it's really too hot for me to do that. I go on my scooter, and going out there for any length of time is not a good idea when the heat's like it is. So I will get this to you as soon as I possibly can get to the mailbox, to the post office. And so thank you very much, everybody, and I'll just do that. So I just want to show you what I got today in the mail, because I do occasionally get a little thing from overseas, because I wanted some more spools. So I went and bought these from China. Now I'm not disappointed with this, because I got so usually never really am disappointed. Let me see what is in here. Fair few, I think. I don't know whether it was 50 or 100 or something. Probably 50. But it only cost me $2. Well, it cost me probably $3, maybe $3 something, for these dear little spools. And you know what? I don't know yet what I'm going to do with them, but I'm sure I'll think of something. Okay? They don't take up very much room. They're not going to be a problem in my craft room. I will just The other day when I was making spools, I thought, oh dear, I'd like some of them little ones. So I went and actually I went to buy a bigger ones because I wanted the bigger ones, but I ended up getting the little ones because I couldn't find. And as the bigger they get, the really more expensive they are. It's really incredible, you know. The price just flies up so far. But and this is more work in these as far as I can see. But this is my opinion. So anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and I'll get back to you later. Bye bye.